My morning routine is I wake up, I get all of my drinks ready, go get my workout, come home, drink my coffee, and then finish my shake from earlier and eat my breakfast.
Good morning. I'm getting ready to go to the gym, so typically when I get up, I do a little bit of getting ready upstairs. For sure, brushing the teeth. That's disgusting if you don't brush your teeth first thing in the morning. And then come downstairs, and there's 3 things that I get ready for consuming. So my first is taking my shaker bottle of BCAAs, and I drink that like during my weight training, and then I take another water bottle filled with my pre-workout, and that's something that I'm drinking on the treadmill to get me ready to go into my workout. And then my whey protein shake, I drink half of it before I go to the gym, along with 1 rice cake to really fuel me while I'm at the gym. So 2 things that I think are important, at least for me, to include in my whey protein is the L-glutamine powder. This helps with muscle recovery as well as with your gut balance. And then fiber, because a lot of times on prep, like, you're eating the same foods all the time, and sometimes your body just has a harder time digesting certain things. So this really helps me as well. So that's in my shake with my protein. 10-15 minutes, I'll get ready and head to the gym. Lower body day. I am 1 week out from going to compete in the biggest natural bodybuilding competition that the OCB puts on every single year. Going into my peak week now, and it's going to be a really, really good lower body push.
Good morning. We're about to get the warm-up going on, and I hit the jackpot with this treadmill today because it works. I love my gym. I do. I love this gym. And they have many pieces of cardio equipment, but not all of them work, especially the treadmills. So sometimes I remember which ones work and sometimes I don't. I kind of moved today because there's a dude on the one that I typically like to go on. And so I hit the jackpot because this one inclines, and that's what I need today. So score. We're ready to get this workout started. So I'm gonna walk for about 20 minutes, a little bit of incline walking, get my legs warmed up, getting ready for glutes, hamstrings, all the legs. So the best days to come to the gym are on Saturdays and Sunday mornings because it's pretty empty. So I enjoy coming to the gym early in the mornings on the weekends. It's awesome. And we're working the booty today, guys and girls and everybody out there. Work the booty. This is my logbook. You can get these super cheap on Amazon. I honestly, it's rare if I see people like writing down their progress. It's just people don't do it. I'm not the type to remember in my head of like, oh, what did I push last time I did this exercise? I don't remember. Generally I do, but it's nice to look back and go, okay, this is what I did on my warm up. This is what I did on my second and my third set, and this is what I did on my 4th set. And to like really keep yourself accountable. Yeah, and then you just kind of write down what your regimen will look like. And so today's a push day for me because after today we have to start lightening things up because of peak week. So I'm really going to try to push hard today. I have the energy. The pre-workout's starting to kick in, so get a logbook. I don't care if people see me writing down my workout. It just means I'm taking it super seriously. So glutes, you better be doing your job here because this exercise is really meant for you and nobody else. So if my other leg muscles are working too hard, that means I'm going too heavy. What am I at right now? Well, I lost count already. So we're just going to go till it's painful. But I'm at 140 pounds plus 15 pounds with the bar. And squeeze the hell out of that butt. Be your own cheerleader. Oh. Random thought really quick. This is my favorite Smith machine. Here's the thing, gym etiquette 101, people. If you're using a certain piece of equipment where there's like one of them, please be mindful that there are other people in the gym that may want to use that. There is somebody that likes to use this Smith machine on their leg day for a minimum of 40 minutes, anywhere up to 60 minutes. It's just rude. There are other people that want to use the equipment. So just be mindful of like, do what you got to do, move along, and know that other people probably want to use it too. Bulgarian split squats. I love them. I hate them. But they're so good at targeting the lower body. So today is a glute focused leg day. So I'm leaning more forward to really target the glutes. But they also work the quads really well if you kind of like stand up straighter. So some of the thoughts going on in my mind of Bulgarians is I better be counting right because I don't want to be doing more reps than I have to. I better be making the most stankiest face ever by the end because these suckers, really you got to go till failure to build the glute muscles. Other thoughts are like, I just want to get done. And my butt's going to look amazing if I keep these consistently in my workout. So Bulgarian split squats. I just did 2 reps with 30-pound dumbbells. I'm going to move it up to 35. I want to try to hit more like 8-9 reps now. So 2 more sets to go, but Bulgarian split squats, they're hard. But who wants leg day to be easy? You're not going to grow if you keep leg day easy. So this is my friend for hip thrusts, and I always do hip thrusts at the beginning of my workout, but it's all the way at the other end of the gym. And I will admit that I'm too lazy to take it back to the front until I get closer to the front. So he's just my little friend. We just carry him around from exercise to exercise. I probably should give him a name at this point. Reverse hypers. This is near the end of my leg day workout. So this one isn't so much about hitting failure as it is just making the muscles tired and squeezing the hell out of your butt. Your butt has to do this work. So don't let your back do the work. So you really have to kind of like round over. You could do this body weight. You can do this with a plate. I do it with a 25-pound weight. And I really kind of like curve my back so the glutes are doing all the work. Make sure when you come up, you do it slowly because you could pass out and that would not be fun. Okay, just got done with legs. We have a Panera right down here. So most of the time I walk and get my coffee after a workout. So we're gonna walk and get some coffee. I think Panera coffee is pretty good. I don't even put anything in it and I think it tastes pretty good. Helps me go number 2, which is the biggest thing ever. If you've ever had problems with number 2, then you know the pain. If you can't go, you're just not happy the rest of the day. So we're gonna walk down here, grab some Panera coffee, head home, and make breakfast. Shout out to NutriShop really quick. They are my sponsor. I might have briefly mentioned them, but they are a supplement shop based all throughout the US. There's many different locations. Colorado Springs NutriShop sponsors me as a natural athlete, and they give me free supplements every single month, which I'm super grateful for. So NutriShop, you are bomb. I'm making my breakfast right now, which is the same as any day, really, as I'm going into a show. So I do 8 ounces of cooked egg whites. I do 20 grams of oats, and then I top it off with a half a cup of blueberries, and I'm at 16 grams of nut butter. We all know how much I like nut butter, so today I'm going to use the Wild Friends Super Butter Peanut Cashew. Really good flavor. I'm also finishing my shake from earlier. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing. Let me know if you want to see more meal prepping type things from me. If you want me to like give you breakdowns of stuff. This prep, I have so much energy this time around versus my last prep because my metabolism is working so well right now. So I haven't really had to drop to super low carbs, and I'm grateful for that because my gym sessions are good. I'm feeling good. It's a Saturday, so it's a super chill day. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Please comment, let me know if there's other material that you really do want to see me share, and I appreciate all the support. Oh, I could turn it on, so I could just start talking. I didn't turn it off. Oh, I didn't turn it off then. Okay, thoughts. Work it. Okay, your turn. Ooh, I gotta move it up. Hold on. Gym etiquette right there.